Hey everybody, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. I don't have my normal camera stand because it's packed because this is the last week in March and I think I'm supposed to be moved into my house by mid-April. So a lot of my stuff is actually packed in boxes right now. I'm propping you up on some creams to hold up my camera right now. So if this angle's a little funky, that's why. I recently picked up something at Sephora that I thought I would do a quick review on, probably something that I personally should not have picked up because it's something that goes counter to the way I want my hair to go. Normally, I like my hair to be curlier, and this was actually an at-home smoothing, keratin treatment, which, I would think would make your hair look a little bit straighter and smoother. So probably was not the best candidate to do a review on this. I don't know why I picked it up, but I thought it was kind of interesting because I think most of the time I've thought of keratin treatments as being done in salons. This is an at-home keratin treatment by a company that I'm assuming is a hair company called Gussie, let me get my iPhone to focus, Gussi. And what it is it's the keratin treatment, which has a sprayer on it, and it is the hair prep shampoo. So let me refocus. The way this worked is last night, what I did was I washed my hair with this Gussie Squeaky Clean priming shampoo. I'm assuming what it does is it cleans all the stuff off your hair so that when you do the keratin treatment, it is able to sink into your hair. So I washed with this. It was really a kind of a nice shampoo. It reminded me a little bit of a very intense clarifying shampoo. It was a gel that came out, but it lathered up really nicely and made my hair feel, it really did make my hair feel squeaky clean. Not in a bad way, but in a good way. That's what I did last night. And then I sprayed I think you're supposed to do it in sections, about 15 squirts of this, like all over your hair in different sections. It tells you how to do it. Then you leave this on your hair for about 20 minutes. I left mine on probably for about 30, 35 because I got distracted doing some stuff with my dogs last night. So you leave that on and then you do a very light rinse. And then I just let my hair air dry. And then this morning I, tried to iron it a little bit with my curling iron because I don't like my hair super straight on me. I don't necessarily know what to say about it. Did it make my hair look smoother? Maybe if I put a little bit of oil in my hair. Hold on a sec, let me try. I'm always used to having a little bit of hair oil in my hair, so maybe that's what's kind of throwing me off a little bit. Maybe that's it. So I'm gonna put a little hair oil in it and then compare my hair to the way it normally looks, before this treatment. So what I would say is, it's hard to say. What can I say? If you have super straight hair and you like your hair super straight, it may do a pretty good job of smoothing it out because I have noticed it's kind of almost hard for me to curl my hair right now. This is about all I could get out of it with the curling iron. It really wants to go straight. So it may be an option for somebody that likes to wear their hair unlike me. I like my hair kind of curlier and fuller, but it may be an option for somebody that wants super smooth, straight hair and maybe uses a flat iron to straighten it. I like curls, but I kind of wanted to try it for the smoothing effect, but it might have made it actually too smooth for me because now I feel like I feel like it's too smooth. It may be an option for someone that doesn't want to go to a hair salon and spend the kind of money to do a keratin treatment to give this a try. Now, I think this is supposed to last, I don't know how long. I'm not sure how long this is supposed to last. Let me get the instructions. It came with this little manual and it says in here that after you rinse your hair, you only rinse your hair after you apply this, like for 30 seconds. It's a super light rinse because you don't want to wash this out. Then I dried it. I think I'm probably supposed to blow dry my hair. That was the problem. It says hair must be 100% dry in order to ensure the treatment will be properly locked in. I messed up. That's what I should have done. I'm not a blow dryer. I don't blow dry my hair. I air dry my hair, and that could be what my problem is. And then you're supposed to run a flat iron over it for 3 to 4 passes. I could have sworn I read somewhere in here about how long this is supposed to stay, how long this is supposed to last for you, how many washings kind of thing. For some reason, I'm not seeing it right now, but I should have should have read the directions better. That's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to put it in your hair, but see, I don't use a blow dryer in my hair. I don't even think I even have a blow dryer anymore. I just don't blow dry my hair. That's the key. You're supposed to lock it in. So I make a bet it probably would have turned out even better than I have right now. I can see how much it has really smoothed out my hair, more than I normally like it. I think if I would have blown dry my hair, and then if I would have used a flat iron, which I also don't use, I just don't like my hair super flat. I make a bet it would have been smoother and shinier. I mean, it's worth a try because it's less expensive than going to a salon. And this is kind of like a new type of hair treatment that I've never tried before. You know what I mean? I've never seen like a keratin at home. Maybe I have not been out very much looking at hair products. I don't think I remember seeing like at-home keratin treatment before. So this might be an option for somebody that likes their hair super straight and smooth, uses a flat iron, also has a blow dryer in their house to get that kind of keratin treatment look on your hair. It's worth a shot. I'll leave the name of this again down in my description box. It's called Gussi, Gussi. Got it at Sephora. If you like your hair straight and smooth, you may want to give it a try. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye-bye from Marla.